Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If your cigarette lighter power outlet does not work, we will explain in this video where the relay is located. Always check the relay and the fuses. We have a video that will teach you where the fuse is located as well. It's a 15 fuse. Now we will teach you in this video today where the relay is located, guys, how to test a relay, and where to buy relays for a really good price and quick shipping. So let's start on it now. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. What we need to do, we need to open the hood on that Fiat 500. We need to support it specifically. We have a 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different Fiat 500, the procedure should work as well. So that's a relay, guys, right here. If you want to see how to test a relay in just a few seconds, we'll put a link to a video in the description of the video below. Another thing, if you need to buy relays for a good price and quick shipping, we'll share the link as well where you can buy them from. Next to the car battery is the main fuse box. Right here, there is one bolt. You need to remove it in order to remove the lid. You have one more fuse box that's hidden inside the car, and we have a video that's called "Where are the fuses and relays located" on Fiat 500. It will teach you about that, guys. So now let's go ahead, okay, and explain actually where, okay, that relay will be located now. So once you remove the fuse cover, you have a number, and in front of the number you have a T, that means relay. If you have an F, that means it's a fuse. Bad news, they don't tell you anything else. But if you look right here, that third relay known as T31, that T31, guys, is actually the one right here. That relay is the one for the cigarette lighter if it doesn't work. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.